Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store. Then go ahead and click on search. Then type search and app and game, and go ahead and type in music editor. Then it's going to take you right here. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and scroll down right here and make sure you go ahead and click on audio editor and music editor right here. Because at the time of making this video, 10 million plus are using this particular free audio and music editor app on Android. Go ahead and click on install. After a successful installation, go ahead and click on open. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on start. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on start. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this pump up and start with free trial. Then go ahead and close this tab right here. Then it's going to take you to this particular interface right here. What are the things you can do with this particular audio editor app? You can merge your audio, you can trim audio, multi-track edit right here, you can split audio, you can mix audio, volume booster, insert audio, video to MP3, MP3 to video, format converter. Then scroll down right here and you have free compressor, equalizer, text to audio, speech to text, audio recorder, voice changer, and etc. Right here, I need to tell you some of things right here. If you are trying to use any of the features that has this crown right here, these are all premium features, and you need to subscribe to premium to use some of these features here. Some of the free tools here are this, and this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Then you scroll down. There are a lot of free tools right here, and this is another free and free and free. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how to use audio editor on Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.